Alright, we're going to do a startup here on the Model A. We did just move it, so it's not a cold start. We'll do a cold start later in the auction. But essentially you got choke here, you got your advance here, and then this is your throttle control. You do have throttle control on the floor, but this does help you out quite a bit with starting. And then the start button is to the right of the steering column. So key on. I don't need any choke right now. Underneath the hood there is a fuel on and off because your fuel tank's right in front of you there. I'm going to go ahead and all the way advance, and I believe I'm in neutral, but let's go ahead and get it off.